you can see, it's actually banked up. Even the ploughs have gone over the top of it rather than through it. Yeah. This is actually a great mound of snow. Whoa. These drifts here are about, hang on, 6 foot, 7 foot high at the moment. See, I can quite happily stand underneath them. There we go. I seem to have a cornice over the top of me. Yeah, and it's blowing some as well, and still snowing heavily. So, yeah, the ploughs haven't managed to plough their way through this yet. So, they've been through twice now, so this will be a bit more of a job for them. Oh. All the way along here. All the way along. I think even the clouds are struggling to get up there. That's how, this is how deep it is actually on the road. That's my walking stick up to about that high, so about 6 inches off the foot on top of the road. That's how deep the ground. Come on! Hey! Oh, God. Completely conditions up here. You can't even see into this stuff. Oh, dear. Good grief. Just have to wait for it to blow through a bit. Oh, there we go. It is absolutely blowing up really up here. Oh. Drifts. Up to 6 foot still, I'm walking on the drift, even after having been plowed. 6, 7 foot drifts. God, that snow getting in your mouth. Oh, that was fun. So these things here, look at these. That is, hang on, that's clearly. These are good 8 foot drifts now over the top of the road. Perhaps going for 10 feet. I can feel my left ear is getting a bit, yeah, Fappy's ears are getting cold. So we'll just whiz through this bit, but yeah, good 8 foot, 10 foot drifts up here. Now we're through that bit.